O'Connor, here for a job site tour at the East Moline XPO project at the Bend Development. A few project specifics. Start off with the project team. Scott Heim, superintendent. Lynn Painter, project coordinator. Ryan and Dreesen, PX. Mitchell Heron and Grace Gunlack, project engineers that have helped periodically throughout the project. And then myself, the project manager. The project site is roughly 16 acres, so rather large site. The building is 102,000 square foot, 100,000 square foot of pre-engineered metal building, and then roughly 2,500 square foot right behind us of conventional steel structure that's on the west end or the front end of the building. The building usage is going to be a multifunctional facility. So weddings, auctions, you name it, big crowds, they're going to hold events here for anything and everything. The majority of the building is an open space, so it provides perfect for large gatherings. Maybe not during COVID, but hopefully in the near future. So next we'll go inside, take a quick tour, and make sure Scott shows his face too. Right here we have the main meeting room. This will all be glass. Right here, this is another meeting room. This will have an optical wall right here. Display room in this corner. Over on this side. Over here we have another display room in that corner. Two more offices with two more optical walls, so they can open this up and make one big space. This one wall, all these bigger openings are overhead doors. There'll be full view aluminum frame glass overhead doors. Working across from west to east, these rooms right here are bathrooms. We got 3 sets of these. So it's our first set. Next set, we got a set down the end. We go inside those if you want.
So here, most of this open space is going to be used just for large events, auctions, whatever they want.
Right here, we got women's and men's restrooms. The other 2 restrooms just near this restroom.
Here's the main entry of the building.
We'll have glass doors with the lights above at the entrance, and another set 6 foot in for the vestibule. And outside we have a steel canopy that is hopefully coming next week. Right here we have the 3 offices in the building. These are more for the operating people for the expo, as far as the event center staff. That's it for offices. Right here is the entrance to the cafeteria. More of the kitchen space, the catering space. This here will have all their kitchen equipment. And then just beyond that wall, go that way, is the bar. This will have a large cooler on our right here. And this will be the bar serving area. There'll be a cooler on the back side of the wall and for pass through.
And then this back portion that the camera's displaying right now is the Mecum auction area. The interior liner panel is not installed, as that design is still incomplete. But you can see the big draw for this space, and Mecum auctions really makes the ownership excited, and should be a great space for future large gatherings. So that's all we got today at the Expo job site. Hopefully everyone liked this quick tour, and everyone has a good weekend. Thanks.